Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Shazib, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install applications on Debian Linux and its derivatives such as Ubuntu and Linux Mint using these three commands: dpkg, apt, gdb. These three commands are very useful for those new users who have migrated from Windows to Linux. So the very basic problem they face is to install software on your system. We're going to talk about these three commands: how to install and how to remove software using these three commands. So let's get started. In order to install a deb package, we need a deb package. So you're going to go to the Chrome site and download the Chrome .deb package. I'm not going to do it because I already have it downloaded. As you can see here, I have Google Chrome.debian package downloaded in my download folder. Go to your terminal. Clear if your terminal is not clear. So first of all, we need to go to the download directory ls. As we can see here is Google Chrome stable current.debian package. So the first command, sudo is used to give the root privileges to any commands. Sudo dpkg. I flag is used to indicate that we're going to install that package, and gw. So remember, you don't need to type all of these current stable name. Google Chrome current stable, what was it? Write some of the, like gw, press tab, it will autocomplete. And in some case, if your autocomplete is not working, just copy the name here and paste it here. As you can see, the Google Chrome installed and it's showing in my, it's listed in my menu. So this is how we install a Debian package using dpkg program. The thing is how to remove the very same application using dpkg command. The command is very similar. Sudo dpkg, instead of using I stands for I flag instance for installation, we're gonna use -r, which stands for remove. The thing is, we are not gonna use the same very file. This same file is the file name of the application we install, but we are not going to define the file name. We use the application name, and in this case is Google Chrome stable. And say, of course, in the same case, you don't have to write the full name. Sudo dpkg -r Google, print the tab, it will auto complete it. Print. Remember, the file name is different and the application name is different. This is the file name of that deb file. It can be anything. It can be 1, 2, 3, anything, but the application name is same for everything. It's Google Chrome stable. So we install it. So that's how you install or remove application using dpkg. And the second of that command is apt. To install the app is very easy. Write sudo apt install dot / indicates local Debian file. So in this case, the tab doesn't work. So how to do it? As I already told you, say ls, copy this. Now sudo apt install, paste it. As you can see, it gets the file from our home as download Google Chrome stable, and this is the application name, and this is the file name. This is how you install using apt command, and to remove using apt command, write this command sudo apt remove, and the application name in this case Google Chrome, and tabs work here. Google Chrome remove. Ask for my consent. So that's how you install or delete a local Debian package using apt command. But apt command is not only used to install a local Debian package, it's also to use a Debian package from the repository. Consider repository a cloud or hard disk where all the deb package is present, and you gonna install by writing this command sudo apt install. I'm going to install something like code blocks. Install code blocks. So in this case it's asking for my consent. Yes, as you can see, it's they are downloading the code blocks from the internet. So I said .deb. They downloaded their package from the internet and they are now installing .deb packages. Yeah, that's how you install an application from repository. To remove an application install using apt from repository, this command is very same. Sudo apt remove, same previous game, and write the application name code blocks. Removing is same both in local and repository Debian files. So that's how you. So now the third command is gdb, right? Sudo gdb, and you don't have to write anything. Remove, install, I minus R, doesn't matter. Just write the Google Chrome here. Enter. Yes. So, but the thing is, GDB can only use to install the package, not to remove the package. If you want to remove the package, you can use either dpkg or apt to remove the package. Sudo apt remove Google Chrome. And in any of the above three cases, tools, if you face error like dependency errors or while installing, after installing, anything like that, then you write this command sudo apt install f. If there's any independent dependency errors, it's gonna install that dependencies. So that's how you install local or repository.debian package using these three commands. Bye bye.